Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Telegram privacy settings for fewer data exposures, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Telegram app on your device. If you're using a smartphone, tap on the hamburger menu in the top left corner. For desktop users, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, tap or click on Privacy and Security. You will see various privacy options laid out for you. Start with Privacy. Under Privacy, you will find Last Seen. Tap or click on Last Seen. Choose Nobody to prevent anyone from seeing your online status. Next, go back to the privacy settings. Select Profile Photo. Here, you can choose who can view your profile picture. Consider setting this to My Contacts or Nobody for added privacy. Next, review the About section. You can also limit who can see your About information. After that, go to Phone Number. Set it to My Contacts or Nobody to keep your number private. Now let's move on to Forwarded Messages. Choose Nobody if you want to restrict others from forwarding your messages. You can decide whether to allow everyone, My Contacts, or Nobody to add you to groups. Return to the Privacy and Security menu. Scroll down to Data Settings. Here you can turn off Sync Contacts if you wish to stop sharing your address book. Also, disable peer-to-peer connections under Privacy for extra security. Next, go to Security. Enable two-step verification for follow the on-screen instructions to set that up properly. Once that's done, revisit the main settings page. Lastly, consider adjusting chat settings. You can choose to turn off notifications for new messages. Adjust these settings to your comfort level. After completing all these steps, review your settings to ensure everything is as desired. Your Telegram account is now better protected against data exposure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.